Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions. Today I'll show you how to activate Windows 11 Pro using a genuine product key, step by step. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to System, then click on Activation. Here you can see whether your Windows is activated or not. To activate Windows, click on Change. Now enter your 25-character genuine product key. Click Next, then Activate. Make sure your PC is connected to the internet. Now I'll verify activation using command prompt. Open CMD as administrator and type slmgr xpr. If you see Windows is permanently activated, your activation is successful. If you need more details, you can using command prompt. Open CMD as administrator and type slmgr DLE to view full license information, including activation status and product key type. Important tips. Always use a genuine license key from Microsoft or an authorized seller. Avoid unofficial or pirated activation tools, they can harm your system. If activation fails, check your internet connection or verify the key. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IT tutorials. See you in the next video.